Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to another vlog and another video. Hopefully the rest of your Easter 2020 went all right yesterday. Like I told you yesterday, we had high wind watch, high wind warning in effect, and it sounds like now they said for even here it was going to get up to 60 to 70 miles per hour, and that sounds about pretty close to where it is right now. At work today, started out kind of slow, but of course, it picked up more and more as the day went on. And right towards the end of shift today, we had a good bit of heavy rain. It really ended up starting pouring buckets for a little while. It poured buckets for a little while right near the end of shift today. Shift today and end of shift and end of shift end of shift and stuff today, and the wind just picked up, as you can see. And it's supposed to, the high wind warning last I saw was supposed to last up until about 2:30 in the morning tomorrow, well before daybreak. So of course, since the high wind just started, we obviously have not lost power yet. I'm sure with the built-in generator we probably won't very much, or if the power goes out much at all. Once again, like I said in one of yesterday's vlogs and yesterday's videos we ended up doing yesterday, most of the time it's usually gone off real quickly and came back on pretty quick because of our built-in generator that we have. As long as our built-in generator is working all right and working right, and working right and working right and working right and working right and stuff. You can tell by a couple pretty good puddles here that we had some pretty good heavy rain out here a little earlier as well. Look at how much the grass is moving as well. Feeling a little bit of mist coming out as well. So oh my God, now we're starting to see some mist flying through the air now. Seems like the wow now wow. Now it seems like the wind's starting to get a little stronger now. Look at how much the trees are moving back here in this part of our woods right here. And I heard a slight bit of a crack. Thought I heard a slight bit of a crack of something in our wood, something in our woods. All right, that's as far as we'll bring this vlog and this video. We will try and be back in a little bit, or some point a little later on, and give you an update on you know, the high wind event in a little bit. It looks like it's going to pick up a little. Again, they said it could even out here get up to as high as between 60 and even 70 miles per hour. Man, that's crazy. That's insane. So we'll talk to you in a little bit.